noticed how faith and fear play huge roles in our lives? They are like those two friends who can totally change the vibe of your day. Fear's the one whispering, "What if everything goes wrong?" Meanwhile, faith is that voice cheering you on. "You've got this." Hi, I'm Reshma. I'm so glad you stopped by. If you're new around here, welcome. And for my returning friends, thanks for hanging out with me again. Today I want to chat about how faith can really kick fear to the curb. Fear tends to yell louder than anyone else, right? It's like that annoying what if tune stuck in your head. What if I fail? Or what if it's all too much? I know, it's trying to protect us, but often it just keeps us stuck. I mean, who wants to be frozen when life's full of opportunities? Then we have faith, which is like having a superpower in your back pocket. It helps you step into the unknown with a little bounce in your step. It's trusting you're going to land just right. Faith isn't just blind hope. It's the belief in yourself and the world around you, breathing possibilities into your life. There's that external confidence we build by doing something over and over. Like public speaking was a huge hurdle for me. I would literally melt down in tears. But guess what? By practicing and learning, I gained confidence. And then there is the inner self-confidence, which is all about self-belief. That's the one which keeps us going and not allowing us to give up. Picture this. You've nailed the skills and now faith is the glue holding everything together. It tells you you're more than enough and you're going to crush it. When you have faith, you don't just do a task, you own it. Suddenly you're not just a public speaker, you're declaring, "I am a public speaker." You kick fear of judgment to the side because you trust in your skills and yourself. Here's the magic. When fear asks, "What if I trip?" Faith replies, "But what if you fly?" Faith pushes you to step out, take risks, and turn fear into your ally. It's like turning hurdles into step ladders. Faith and fear often dance together in our minds. The trick isn't to get rid of fear. That's just unrealistic. It's to turn up the volume on your faith. Focus on what's possible and you'll see fear transform into a motivator rather than a block. So how do we pump up that faith? Here are 3 quick tips. 1. See uncertainty as a playground. Think of the unknown as a place filled with adventures, not threats. 2. Look back at your wins. Remind yourself of those moments when your faith carried you through. They are proof you can do it again. And 3. Surround yourself with positive vibes. Stick with people who make you feel bright. That energy is contagious. Fear might always be hanging around, but with faith, we have the tools to rise above it. Choosing faith opens doors to incredible possibilities. Isn't that worth taking the leap? Thanks for chilling with me today. I'd love to hear your stories about faith and fear. Drop them in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe for more of Reshma's transformative insights. Remember, we are amazing and capable. Let's act like it. Until next time, bye.